Hello all and welcome back to the channel. So now let me show you how easy it is to fit these plug-and-play wheels. Just take a screwdriver, put it in the sides, one here, one here. The airbag pops out, take out the connector. I'll take out this one. Take out this connector. Make sure the wheel is really straight. Take it off. Now we take the new wheel. Make sure it's straight. Insert the connector. Torque wrench that. Take the new airbag, insert connector, and you're done. And as usual, all the buttons work like on the old steering wheel. On the touchpad you change the information here. You can answer the phone, you can raise and lower the volume, you can go to favorites, you can start the voice control, home button, or back button. And on this side, this one also controls the cluster, and these are the same. So the only thing that don't work on this side is the cruise control, because that still works in the old place on the column. And on our website you can spec these out in almost any color combination or materials. You can even add these carbon fiber paddles that are a little bit bigger than the normal ones. And you can even choose if you want white light or yellow light on the buttons, depending on what you have on the old buttons. As you can see here, they are yellow, but when it comes to me, I think the white looks more modern, so I'll choose white anyway, but you still have the option to choose yellow if you like. And here's an example how I spec'd out the steering wheel in my S-Class. I chose to go black here and silver here. I also added the porcelain white leather in here. And you really help me out if you hit that subscribe and that like button so I can continue this channel with the content I give you. Until next time, see you.